Dear students, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will explain how to write the index page, also known as the contents page of your project work. The index page shows the list of topics included in your project. It helps the examiner understand the structure of your project at a glance. At the top of the page, write the heading Index or Contents. At the top of the page, write Contents or Index. Below the heading, draw 3 columns. Below the heading, draw 3 columns using a ruler. In the first column, write serial number. Write serial number. In the second column, write items or contents. Here write items or contents. And in the third column, write page number. Now start writing the contents in proper order. First, write serial number. As for example here, 1. Then items introduction to the topic, page number 1. Next, serial number 2, items outcome of the project, page number 2. Then serial number 3, items conclusion, page number 3. Next, serial number 4, items acknowledgement, page number 4. Then serial number 5, item certificate, page number 5. And the last one, serial number 6, bibliography, page number 6. Make sure that the page number in the index match the actual pages of your project. Please remember, use a ruler for straight lines. Write neatly and clearly. Do not overwrite. Maintain proper spacing. This is the correct way. To write the index or contents page for your project work. In the next video, we will learn how to write the introduction to the topic page. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.